harmony. Unlock the past, let the knowledge bloom.
Welcome back to the Herbal Historian. Tonight, we explore a flower that blooms with the setting sun, a wild plant whose golden petals open only in twilight, and whose oil has become one of the most treasured remedies of modern herbal medicine. This is Evening Primrose, the flower of the moon and the healer of women. Evening Primrose is native to North America, where indigenous peoples used its roots, leaves, and seeds for food and medicine. The Cherokee ate its cooked roots as a hearty vegetable. The Iroquois and Ojibwe brewed the plant into teas for digestive troubles and skin conditions. By the 17th century, European settlers had adopted it and carried its seeds back across the Atlantic. In Europe, it was soon called the King's Cure, all for its wide range of uses. Evening Primrose is a tall biennial plant, reaching up to 5 feet. In its first year, it forms a rosette of lance-shaped leaves. In the second, a tall flowering stalk rises, topped with clusters of bright yellow, 4-petaled blossoms. The flowers open at dusk, glowing golden in the fading light, and are pollinated by night, flying moths. The roots of young evening primrose can be boiled or roasted, with a taste compared to parsnip. The leaves have been eaten as cooked greens, though slightly bitter. Its seeds, rich in oil, were ground into meal, or used in traditional cooking. Even today, the plant is valued both as food and medicine. Evening primrose holds a special place in women's medicine. Its seed oil, rich in gamma-linolenic acid, has long been used to ease premenstrual discomfort, support fertility, and relieve symptoms of menopause. Traditionally, it was also applied to bruises, skin irritations, and sore throats. In magical traditions, evening primrose was linked to the moon, used in charms for intuition, love, and prophetic dreams. A flower of both healing and mystery. Modern science has focused on evening primrose oil extracted from its seeds. Research suggests it may help reduce PMS symptoms, hot flashes, and some inflammatory conditions. Its essential fatty acids support skin health and may aid in eczema relief. Studies remain mixed, but evening primrose oil is one of the most widely studied herbal supplements of our time. Evening primrose roots are harvested in the plant's first autumn, before the stalk rises. The seeds are collected in late summer or early autumn, once the pods ripen and dry. Gathered carefully, these tiny seeds are the source of the precious oil. Roots can be dried and stored for later use in decoctions. Leaves are best dried quickly in shade for teas. Seeds, once cleaned, are stored in airtight jars and pressed for oil. Each part of the plant has its place in herbal tradition. Evening primrose oil is generally safe, but in high doses it may cause nausea or headaches. It should be avoided by those with seizure disorders, and caution is advised when combined with certain medications. Pregnant women should consult a professional before use. Like the moon, it shines with beauty, but must be approached with care. Primrose comes as oil, capsules, seed powder, or a gentle tea. The oil is the most common, pressed from the seeds and rich in GLA. Capsules are just the same oil, pre-measured. Seed powder can be added to food, and tea is mild and calming. It's even used gently for your fluffy friends, like dogs too. Evening primrose is a flower of twilight, a bridge between earth and moonlight, between traditional medicine and modern science. It carries the wisdom of indigenous healers, the faith of European herbalists, and the promise of continued discovery. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed today's episode, like and subscribe, and join me next time as we uncover the golden strength of golden seal.
From ancient roots to modern day, nature's secrets light the way.